4. All right, and so same two questions. I need to know if it's a reflection, and I need to know what it's whether it's a growth or a decay. Now, for the base on the log is the little number down here. So on number 9, what is the understood base?
10.
A 10. Very good. So because it's 10, it's a growth. And is it being reflected? I think someone said over there, yes it is because of this negative.
How you gonna go flip flop like that? I'm sorry.
Flip what?
Cause like you see the log, right?
Uh-huh.
Wait, the 2 is part of the log?
The 2 is your A value, so the 2 is stretching it.
So we still go by the 2 to tell what if it's being reflected or not, but we go by the B.
For the growth or decay, yeah.
Okay. That's what I was saying. That's kind of tricky.
Yeah, so B is growth value is whether it's being reflected. So if you look over here at the poster, I do have your 2 options here. Once again, you're not going to have decays, really, so you just have to pay attention. If it's a growth, it looks like this. And if it's a reflection and a growth, you're going to take your function and you'll reflect it, so it'll flip, and it'll look like that. Does that make sense?
So it's just upside down.
Yeah, because it's just being reflected. So it looks a little different because these, when we reflected, we flipped it over the asymptote because your asymptote was horizontal. But on these, my asymptote is vertical. So when you flip it, your graph, like the line, just flips. Your asymptote doesn't flip because your asymptote is vertical. That makes sense? And so instead of having, because this is a growth this way, but we're going to reflect it and flip it upside down, so it'll go like this.
So it's the same.
Why don't we flip it over the asymptote?
Because you reflect over the line y equals x, or I mean the x-axis. I mean, right? When you reflect over the x-axis. So we're reflecting this way, not this way.
How long is this video?
I don't know. I'm almost done. All right, last one. What is the understood base here?
E.
An E. Very good. So is it a growth or a decay?
Growth.
A growth. And then where's my asymptote at?
3.
3. Good. So x equals 3. 1, 2, 3. And is it being reflected? No. So it's going to grow like that. And then I forgot domain. Domain, we're going left all the way to 3, right to infinity, and then down, negative infinity, up to infinity. And then I kind of forgot domain and range on this other one. Left to -4, right to forever, and then range down forever, up forever.